Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It is Tuesday night and I am recording this video for your Wednesday assignments. It looks like you all are doing a really great job moving through Monday's assignment for Theseus and the Minotaur and for Tuesday's written assignment for Theseus and the Minotaur. Okay? Today on Wednesday, we will be reading a new passage, a new myth titled How Odin Lost His Eye. It's a really great story. All right, let's get started. So as soon as you sign into your student portal, remember this is what your student portal will look like. Be sure to click on your e-course pages and any other link that you might need. Okay, once you click on your G Suite for Education, remember it will bring you to your Google Drive. So if I click on that, it's going to bring me to my drive. I have so many things in here. Obviously, your drive is going to look a lot different than mine. Okay, be sure to click on your e-class course pages and then navigate to whichever class you need to go to. Here is our class for Wednesday, April 8th, How Odin Lost His Eye, Reading Comprehension questions. Okay, now for Wednesday, you will read How Odin Lost His Eye and you will complete 4 questions, and I'll show you where they are just like I usually do. You will be using this reading for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay? All right. So just keep in mind this picture right here, which is really, really cool. I will be replacing it and moving it somewhere else in my announcement and putting the video that I am currently recording in there. I still have our link for our calendar and I have our new link for discussions. Okay? But a lot of you have been either emailing or writing individual comments on our assignments or calling, and that has been working really well. So just continue to do whatever you have been doing in order to get in touch with me. Okay, I continue to have my email address and my number here. Again, that is a picture of Odin. And look, he has his eye in his hand. Okay, all right, so let's go to our calendar. I'm going to click this link right here. It's going to bring us right over to our calendar. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you. I still have Monday's links, Tuesday's links, and Wednesday's links are already here as well. In this area right over here, that's where I will embed this video also. All right, so make sure that you visit our calendar and go to the appropriate day. Today is Wednesday. We will be addressing the same AKS that we have been addressing all week thus far. I'm going to click on second period only. And that'll bring us to our Wednesday link. All right, so it says How Odin Lost His Eye, Reading Comprehension and Questions. Notice again that I have the entire breakdown of the assignment today and a step-by-step process. It says, today you will read How Odin Lost His Eye. Click on the Google Doc below to read the passage. I have included links for a recording to my read aloud so that you can listen. I had to record the reading in 2 parts, so you will find 2 links with the passage. Guys, be sure that you are using every single resource I give. I have links all over the place with videos so that you can listen to me and get further explanation. Okay, step number 2. Once you have read the passage, you will answer 4 comprehension questions to demonstrate your understanding of the text. That's right, I said only 4 questions for today. Please click on the Google form below titled How Odin Lost His Eye, Comprehension Questions 1 through 4. So here you have your Google Doc that you will click on in order to read the passage. Here I have the Google Forms that you will click on. Okay, and in here it says I have also recorded the questions so that you can listen to them. You will need to click on the video in order to listen. The video is titled How Odin Lost His Eye, Reading Comprehension Questions, YouTube video. That is right down here. You can submit this form as many times as you would like until you are satisfied with your grade. Okay, while you read the passage, think about the following. The theme of our 2 passages this week, Theseus and the Minotaur, and this is sacrificing for the greater good. Keep in mind that the word sacrifice can be used as a noun or a verb. It is an act of surrendering a possession as an offering to God or to a divine supernatural being. And verb, when you actually sacrifice. This theme shows how good people make sacrifices for others or give things up for the sake of others. These sacrifices can be made for family, friends, a country, a group of people, and so on. The person who makes the sacrifice most likely has strong morals and beliefs. They give to others without thinking about themselves, and they want others to be well off and to be happy. So think about all that as you read, because that is what you are going to be identifying throughout the passage. And then on Thursday and Friday, you're going to be talking about and writing about how Odin's actions help develop the theme of sacrificing for the greater good. Okay, once you have completed the Google form for today, you are done. Make sure you submit the assignment when you are done with the Google form. All right, let me show you all of my documents that I have here. So number one, first you'll read how Odin lost his eye. Okay, and let me just give it a couple of seconds for it to come up and load appropriately. Okay, so as you read through, notice that I have comments on the side. Okay. Notice I have things highlighted for you as well. Also notice that I have links in the passage. The first link is part 1, how Odin lost his eye, read aloud, paragraphs 1 through 13. So if you click on the blue part, this link right here, now here it says, click this link to listen to the read aloud. Please click on these, okay? If I click on it, it will pop us over to YouTube. And there you go. You can hear it. Okay, so make sure that you're using all of the materials and the links and everything that your language arts teachers are offering you. Okay, as you go down, you can read, listen to me read, watch me through the video. There is another link here for you as well for the second part, part 2, how Odin lost his eye, paragraphs 14 through 19. Again, you see if I click on that, the link box pops up and you are able to go and listen to the second part of the story. Okay. All right, I'm going to X out of this now, and it's going to bring me back to our assignment for today. Once I am done reading Odin, you can keep your passage up and split screen and just come back to this screen right here and click on the Google Forms. And you notice that we have our Google Forms right here. And if you just scroll down, you see that there are only 4 questions. Please be sure to read each question carefully and then hit the submit button when you're done. And then this right here is just my YouTube video of me reading the questions. Okay, so you can definitely hear those and listen to those. Be sure that when you listen to my video, you split screen and have your form up as well. And that is all for today. Now keep in mind you are going to work with how Odin lost his eye on Thursday and Friday. Thursday's assignments will span over 2 days. For Thursday and Friday, you might be able to finish it up on one day, but some of you may want to take the 2 days and break up Thursday's writing assignment into 2 days, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Please reach out. I'm so glad that you guys are calling me and texting me and emailing. It's great to be in touch with you guys. I definitely miss you. And I'm hoping that we'll be able to see each other at least one last time in person before the end of the school year. But in case that doesn't happen, just stay safe, stay healthy, and let me know what else I can do to help you. Okay? All right. I hope to talk to you guys soon.